na ụmụnne mbụ ndị Igbo daalụnị, Chukwu ya gọzie unu. Ka unu si anọghị m n'ụlọ bụ Enuani Cultural Forum, ka unu si ekepụkarị ihe niile anyị wepụcha, ihe nkiri niile anyị wepụcha, ka unu si atụ ya ọnụ n'ime, ihe nkuzi niile anyị wepụcha, ka unu si atụ ya ọnụ n'ime na agbazi. I want to sincerely thank every one of you for your support, for your kindness, for your encouragement, for your corrections, for the constructive criticisms, and every other way you have supported this platform. I want to sincerely thank every one of you. I want to tell you that you are the reason why this platform was floated, and you are the reason why this platform has remained afloat. I want to sincerely acknowledge the support of so many other persons here. My friend, like most of my friends who support me here, they don't like me revealing their names, but you know who you are. I want to sincerely thank you. Some of you who have supported this platform financially by sending us super thanks, your names are out there. We know you. I've shared a link to this broadcast on our Facebook handle, and I'm hoping that we'll get more people to join us here on this live broadcast. If we don't, I will keep the airtime to me. I have Airtel recharge card. I don't want to mention how much it is, but there is much. I also have MTN. These are the two networks that I got of recharge cards that I'm going to call out for our very lucky subscribers and our very lucky fans out there. So I'm waiting for people to come online. As it stands now, we don't have anybody watching this video live. Okay, we have one person live now. If we get up to 10 people online actively watching, we can activate the calling of the recharge cards. But if we don't have much people online, we can as well defer it to some other time, because we can't just be calling cards when there are not people to load them. So my dear brothers, I want to use this opportunity to thank you. By this time last year, we didn't have up to 7,000 followers on Facebook, and on YouTube we had just very few subscribers. But right now we have close to 3,700 subscribers on YouTube, and then on Facebook we have 64,000 followers. That's an amazing leap, and I'm hoping that if this year continues to go as it is going, by the time the year comes to an end, we will have surpassed the 100,000 followers mark. I owe all this to you for your incredible support. You have been an amazing pillar of support to me, and I want to thank you. I cannot thank you enough. I want to say thank you. God bless you. May you continue to prosper in anything and everything you set your hands upon to do. May our ancestors reward you for supporting me. I don't know more than you. We all know in parts. I only contribute my own ideas to this history, and then you contribute yours, but in the end, it becomes a masterpiece. I'm a young boy who mingled so much with the elderly, and the result is what you see out there. I am still in my 30s, but you all make it look like I am up to 70. I want to thank every one of you for how well you have supported me. You've made my journey in this life worth the while. It is not money that makes people happy. That I can tell for sure, because This platform, we don't make anything from it. The other platforms, we are not monetizing any of them yet. So it is usually what we put in, we keep putting in. We don't get out. But the kind of support and encouragement that you give has been a great reward to us. It has been a great encouragement to us. We could have been making money, but we were not happy doing what we are doing. But here we are spending our own resources and time, and still we are happy and fulfilled. It is because of you. It is because of your invaluable support. Chukwu ya gọzie unu, Chukwu ya gbaa unu ume. Unu kpọkwa ụkwụ unu elue mba o. Mmadụ anọ ka m hụ nọ online. Asị m na elue mmadụ 10 ka mkpọme recharge card ndị na nji n'aka. Adọmanya ka ọ bụ nke na-eme bụ anya ahụ. Ma elue mmadụ 10, so onye ị ga-enwe ike ime bụ, if you are online and you're seeing this video, kindly share it so that more people can join the live broadcast. So if we're up to 10 people online, I can start calling out the recharge cards. Or if we can't get up to 10 people online, I will just call a few of them and then switch to our other social media channel. I've shared this link to our Facebook handle, and I hoped that people from there would come here to come and join the live broadcast so that we could call out the recharge cards here. But we can also do that on Facebook. That's what I think we're going to do. Thank you so much for celebrating my birthday with me. If you are watching this video live, just know that I appreciate you. Ahụmịnọ n'anya, ndị niile si ime enyi mama nlụzụ a, unu bụ ike njikwụlụ, unu bụ ike nji aba mba. Ọ bụ na unu ama nnọbe, Chukwu ya gọzie unu. Ndị niile akwado anyị, ji ego kwado anyị, ji okwu ọnụ kwado anyị, were okwu na-agba anyị ume, Chukwu ya gọzie unu. Unu ma o ji bụ na-adị dị ka ikerike nnu atọ ofe, ọ dị nwata ji anyị akịrị. Ote bụ na unu, dị ka ọgbọ nwa ndu ga-esi kụzimiri ndị dị anya. God will continue to bless and keep you. Thank you so much, my brother Kemute Wajebe. Okay, my sister, namesake. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you and God bless you, my dear sister. So I sincerely appreciate every one of you. I thank you for your support, your incredible support. I'm going to switch to Facebook. For my dear sister Okemute, I'm going to immediately reserve your own recharge card and I will send it directly to you for being the first person to comment on this live broadcast, which I'm going to bring to an abrupt end now because we don't have so many people contributing or joining the live broadcast. Do have a very pleasant day. God bless you and thank you for Elizabeth Sheung. Good morning, sir. Thank you, Elizabeth, and God bless you. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for making my birthday worth the while. For the people who are online here, I'm going to call these few recharge cards before I exit. Let me call the MTN first. MTN recharge card if you're ready. Let's go. MTN recharge card. The fastest finger should load. But if you have loaded 1 or 2, it's not bad if you can step aside for others who have not gotten to also get. That is in the spirit of sharing. If you are able to load 1, you step aside. So let me call the numbers now. Abwa, Ofu, Ufolo, Ofu, Ano, Asato, Asato, Ise, Ofu, Asato, Asa, Ufolo, Ise, Ise, Asato, Ano, Ufolo. Onwe enwe ike nwụchine ka ọ bụ mkpọzie. Somebody is saying, what about us that are not Igbo? I am so sorry, my dear. Maybe I'll have to think about that and also do something about it. This platform is strictly for Igbo people and people who either you are an Igbo person by birth or you are an Igbo person by residence. So you understand Igbo. So this person says, I am not Igbo. And that sounds discriminatory. Okay, so I'm in a fix. I'm going to call this one out for people who are, whether you are Igbo, you are not Igbo, you can load this. So let me call it MTN recharge card for people who are non-Igbo speakers. So you can load 2101 2101 488 5187055840. I'll take that again. 2101 4885 1870 Good luck. Thank you so much for joining this live broadcast. I'm going to switch to my Facebook handle to also salute my fans who are there. Thank you and do have a very pleasant day.